So here we are in La Tasca, which is one of the 3 bars of Lublin, and it's the first time we've been here in the evening, and it's also the first time that we've sat inside, so we will see what it's like tonight. We've just ordered some tapas off this extensive menu, so hopefully they will be delicious. The food has arrived. Salchichas picantes, hamburguesa, lagranita, croquetas, y calamares fritos. What are you going to go for first, darling?
Well, okay, I'm going to go for my calamaris because I love calamaris and I always order calamaris. Let's put a bit of lemon on there. Because I like to sort of try different ones from different places to see how they are.
I know. In search of the perfect calamaris. They good?
Yeah, these are good.
Great. I'm going to try the salchichas picantes first. They look nice.
Good?
Yeah, they're
Spicy?
No, not really. Well, they are a little bit actually. Not like too spicy. Nice. I'm going to try the croquetas crab, which is oxtail croquetas, which was kind of brave for me because I wouldn't normally have oxtail. But I realised obviously it's croquetas, so it's not going to have a whole lot of oxtail in it. But anyway, we'll see what it's like. Does it look nice inside? Don't know how hot it is. Hot. It's really nice. Really tasty. Yep. Okay, so you're having your hamburguesa. How is it, darling?
It's very nice actually. It's just a homemade, easy, simple. Look, 2 bits of bread put together, burger in a bit. No bun or anything. No special bun.
And it's pork, isn't it?
Just basic, very basic, but hey.
Tasty.
Yeah, tasty, traditional, simple.
These lagrimitas, little tears, they're chicken, little bits of chicken wings, and with this lovely ajo, which is so delicious. It's lovely.